Hello, welcome to the Car Barn Beamish, and in this video we are looking at this, the Audi R8 V10. So this is the Audi R8, the V10 version. Now importantly, it's got the S-Tronic gearbox. There is an R-Tronic, but this is the much more modern, much more advanced S-Tronic version, which is their dual shift gearbox. It's finished in silver with the black leather interior. It's got a fantastic service history, service 2016, 2017, 2018, 2020, 21 and 23. It's got the 5-arm 19-inch alloy wheels, parking system advanced, cruise control, high beam assist, phone prep. Now on the phone prep front, this car has got an aftermarket Kenwood system which supports Apple CarPlay, so it's bang up to date in terms of phone connectivity. We do have the original system if you prefer. The other thing noting about this car is the fact, with it being silver, it was actually wrapped black when it was new, and in 2019 the wrap was taken off again, so the paintwork on it is absolutely beautiful. It's really nice, and it's done it a favour as it's been protected from any wear over these last few years. The previous owners had it the last 5 years, bought it from Audi up in Scotland and just wasn't using it, hence the very low mileage. And now we have it here at the car barn, ready for sale and ready to be put on your driveway. So that's another video done in, as it were, and thanks very much for watching. I'm Jonathan at the Car Barn, which is basically in Beamish, and this has been the Audi R8 V10.